Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my classic horizontal happy planner that I use as a journal. And this week, I really cannot wait to use this washi, which is Mountains and Meadows from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I'm gonna bring in some flowers from the flower sticker book, but I also might bring in some flowers from Create with Mandy. That all depends on how I feel. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the first washi that I've ever ordered from the Coffee Monsters Co., but I'm just in love with it. And I feel like I should just cover the whole spread with it. But where are the flowers that I want to use as well? I've used so much of the sticker book there. So those are the florals that I want to use because they go really well with the colors of this. But I don't even know where to start. I feel like, let's see, let's just put this down here in the corner. And then where is my ruler? My office is a huge mess right now because I was packing orders this morning and it's just a little all over the place. A little bit of this steel bow from Simply Gilded. Actually, I don't want them right on top of each other. I love the gray. I love the gray so much. For some people it might be too dark, but I just love it. And then I think I want to actually do some brush lettering with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So then I'm going to go in with, I just want to use this washi on everything. Is that too much? No? Well, okay, we'll see. So actually I wanted to bring in, this is my other sticker. Let's see here. Let's see if I can bring some of these in. Okay. Ugh, oh no. You can't take me anywhere, obviously. Okay. So then let's do this and add a floral with the leaf. So I'm going to put this down like this. Add this here. Oh, I love this washi so much. And then I'm going to add these. I could probably add like a black and white floral or a gray, but I feel like this, or would that be too much color? You know, I'm going to just add this. Oh, love it. So what I'm going to basically end up doing is rotating between the different types of, or the two different washi, but I'm also going to kind of mix up the florals. I won't put all of the craft florals always with that particular washi, just because I think good to mix things up a bit. Oh yeah. And I love this washi so much. I'm back into the washi, guys. And the Coffee Monsters Co. washi, I don't know why, but it's just adorable. Now this time I'm gonna combine the two. And from her most recent pre-sale, I got 3. I ended up getting Mountains and Meadows, Floral Forest, and I believe it's Travel Time. And I'm really excited to be able to use them. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna add, so if I do this, 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 okay, so this one has to go here, there, and then there, okay. I'm gonna then add the blue with the green. Yeah, trying to mix it up a little. And I'm trying to be careful with my nails as well because I just had them done. We took Robin for her birthday manicure, pedicure, because we couldn't go last year because of COVID. So it was me, my mom, Robin, and my sister. And I can't believe she's 10 years old. I have a 10-year-old, guys. How is that possible? Oh, come on. I just don't want to rip the sticker. Craft paper is a little bit thicker than regular sticker paper. Ooh, ooh. It's okay. There. And then combine with a leaf. Because, I mean, why not? Then, lastly, here. Okay, and let's just do this. I'm gonna leave these for another spread, but I am gonna use both of these, basically whatever's left over of these. I actually want to switch these two. Put the leaf here and put this one here. I like that much better. All right, guys, simple spread, but it's sometimes the simple spreads that are super fun, and I cannot wait to be able to just write in it. And I mean, sometimes it could be just inspiration from one thing like this washi tape that can make a whole spread. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.